Tabacsko, and this is my first quarter custom project. My objective for my custom project this 9 weeks was to create a portfolio website to showcase my art and other works to get my name out for people from all over to see. I wanted to try something new to start this year, so I decided to start with web design. My criteria for this project was to create 4 pages, each with menu widgets, a home and landing page, an About Me page, which includes my bio, contact info, and pictures of me, a gallery page, which includes my artwork, and a video page, which includes embedded videos for my YouTube channel. The equipment and software I used, I didn't have to use very many. All I had to do was use a computer and Adobe Muse. I decided to use Adobe Muse because I was told from people who have experience that Adobe Muse is easier than Dreamweaver for beginners. My production timeline is on September 23rd, I was to create a new site in Adobe Muse. September 26th to create my home page. September 27th to continue that home page. September 28th to create my About Me page. October 3rd to continue or finish my About Me page, which includes the bio, the contact info, and the photo of me, which will be inserted at that time. Also October 3rd to start to create my gallery page. So October 17th to create the video page. I will embed my videos from my YouTube channel at this time. October 18th to start to work on my final report / PowerPoint. October 19th through the 21st to finish my final report or PowerPoint. And October 21st, present my final report and turn it. The first page I created was the website master page. This keeps the design consistent throughout all the other pages of my site. And I learned how to create a horizontal menu widget which goes on the top of the page for users to click on to change the pages. It was very simple to create. All I had to do was drag the widget from the widgets library, adjust the size, the placement, and the color, and adjust the font and font sizes. Then I created my home and landing page. I looked up other people's pages for design references. It was also very simple. It was like creating a document in Photoshop or InDesign. I changed the name from The Art of Daylene Tabacsko to just Daylene Tabacsko, because it was not just to display my art. Then I created my About Me page, which included a basic bio of myself and a simple photo of myself. This was also really simple to create, like the home page. Then I created my gallery page. I learned how to create a thumbnail slideshow widget, which was very simple, and all I had to do was, like for the other page, to drag the widget from the widgets library, adjust the size, add my images, adjust the titles, and customize the widget the way I wanted it. Then I created my video page. This one was a little tricky to create. I used the Lightbox widget. I had a little trouble creating the widget because I selected a tutorial on how to embed videos, and I selected the target of the Lightbox widget like the tutorial said, and then I took my HTML code from my YouTube channel and placed it inside the target. But the embedded video, however, wasn't centered. It ended up outside of the target. But then I fixed that, and eventually I got it to look the way I wanted it. But then when I went to go and preview it, there was no thumbnails at all. It was just blank white squares. So I had to do that manually. And then I also learned how to create rollovers for the thumbnails to display the video title when rolled over. And here are some screenshots of my process, as you can see. Then I made some adjustments to my plan. I wanted to create my own background graphics using Photoshop CC, but I decided to not go through with this because I wanted to start my website right away and because of time. This had changed my production timeline as well as my task list. I decided that I was just going to use a really nice Galaxy graphic that I had found on Google. My task list, DMT1, Web 1, 12.1, plan a simple website. I met this task by creating my custom project plan for my website. DMT Web 2, 10.4, create simple background image. I did not meet this task because I decided that I wanted to start right away with creating my website and did not create my own background graphic for my website in Photoshop. But I did, however, replace this task with 1507, proofread and edit a website. I met this task by previewing my website in Muse and in my browser. 1504, add color and format text. I met this task by adding color and text to my website. 1511, insert an image in a web page. I met this task by inserting images like my illustration and a photo of myself to my website. 1514, add audio and video to a site. I met this task by embedding the videos from my YouTube channel to my website. My educational resources. The article on the Adobe website, embed videos and HTML content in Adobe Muse, helped me learn how to embed different content like the videos from my YouTube channel into my website. The YouTube video building a website from scratch showed me the basics on how to build a website from scratch using Adobe Muse. I did not use the YouTube video building a responsive website in Adobe Muse, even though it showed me how to build a website that will be able to respond to the size of a device one is viewing with. I did not use this resource because I decided that I didn't want to make the website responsive right now due to time, but I'm thinking of maybe later on doing that when I have the free time. The article on the Adobe website, add and style menu widgets in Adobe Muse, showed me how to create and style menu widgets for users to click on to go to different pages on my website. The article on Smashing Magazine, 10 Steps to the Perfect Portfolio Website, gave me some tips on how to make my portfolio website perfect. I also, for a requirement, I used the Online Expert course Website Design Sessions 1 and 3 as one of my resources. Session 1 talked mainly about the basics of web and web design and about planning a website. Session 3 mainly talked about cascading style sheets, but also kind of went into detail about using multimedia on web pages and using JavaScript. I am Daylene Tabacsko. This was my first quarter custom project. Thank you for watching.